The National Autism Care, Support and Inclusion Bill is a step toward this future, ensuring access to services, coordinated support, and life.
Ating mga kasama sa SM, of course, yung mga coordinators natin, of course, yung lahat po na sasama po sa parade natin. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. It is such a blessing to be celebrating this day with you, our friends from the Autism Society of the Philippines, as well, and to be reunited with the families and fellow advocates of autism community here in SM. This is a very special day for us because on top of being the 16th year that SM is hosting Angels Walk, our celebration now becomes even more meaningful as it is being simultaneously celebrated nationwide. Totoo po yun. As we speak, kanina pong umaga, we have had the parade also in SM Mall of Asia, SM City Tuguegarao, SM
Okay lang po tingnan mo si Trena. Okay lang po, naging sa Angels Walk ay vlog. Tingnan po, hindi po, tingnan mo si Trena. Justin and family, okay lang po sa Angels Walk, tingnan mo si Tito Donna. Ay, wala si Tito Donna.